film that's very special to all of us for a number of reasons. It works at many different levels. So on the one hand, it's a very cleverly written, fast-paced, really interesting and gripping thriller that will keep you at the edge of your seat. On another, it's a passionate and complicated triangular love story which shows you a lot about the dreams and fears and desires and hopes that we have as human beings when we're in love. It also reminds us that every human being is basically an animal. So you see both the humanity as well as the animalism in all three characters in this film, which I think makes it very unique.
ऑब्वियसली इट इज़ वन ऑफ द लीड्स. एक सीरियस है, 11 साल का बेटा है, फॉरेस्ट ऑफिसर है, एक ठहराव है, अंदर नेगेटिव भी है, पॉजिटिव भी है, इमोशनल भी है. ये सारी चीज़ें बड़ा कॉम्प्लेक्स कैरेक्टर है. डायरेक्टर ने जिस तरह से हमसे काम निकलवाया है वो सफल रहे ये कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी कैरेक्टर्स में सामने लाने की.
माई कैरेक्टर इज़ प्रीतम एंड Nandana is playing Radha, his wife. They go into the forest and meet a friend, Abhishek, who's being played by Javed.
What makes this film particularly special for me is that it has a very strong environmental message, and it has been shot with a lot of love for the gorgeous forests that we have in India. It really makes the point that you should not mess with nature.
जो मैसेज हम पास कर रहे हैं कि हम किस तरह से हमारे एनवायरनमेंट को डिस्ट्रॉय कर रहे हैं और क्यों ऐसी चीज़ें हो रही, क्योंकि हम एज ह्यूमंस हम अपने आप को सिविलाइज कहते हैं, लेकिन क्या हम एक्चुअली कितने सिविलाइज्ड हैं हम. तो ये कुछ सवालात उठते हैं और एंड टाइटल तक कई चीज़ें ज़ाहिर होती हैं.
So film that should be seen by audiences because it's got a great entertainment value. You'll be at the edge of your seat. I think I've done as best a job as I possibly could to try and make it as thrilling and as interesting as possible.
I play the man-eating leopard in the film.
Forest, because that's where they are. We've come from the forest. That's where the movie is set, so that's why the forest.
It was really wonderful to work with Ashwin. He's a supremely talented director.
Everyone's worked on it really sincerely. There's an international crew. There's some amazing actors, and it's a labor of love. So I think everyone's going to be very happy that it's finally going to get a viewing, and people can decide what they make of it.